Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 7th of October. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have Dubber, Pilbara Minerals, Dicker Data, Beach Energy and Orica. So if you have a request, send it through. Make sure you're getting a free newsletter every Thursday, but if you'd like our better ideas, you need to get the Dynamic Investor Report that I send out every Tuesday morning. But if you do enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media. Our main business is portfolio management, so if you'd like to have a broking account with us and have me call you up and let you know when I think you need to buy or sell something, then please let me know and I can explain how that works. And all the advice here is general only. So we've got a daily chart here of Dubber, nice trend up until sort of end of September when there was some clear negativity. So I think, this was a bit of a warning sign here, that sort of price rejection, and then you had this gap down and then a failure to do much. So starting to roll over here, and as we could see, it's accelerating on the downside. So look, there'll probably be levels around here where it'll bounce. I mean, obviously there's been a lot of price action here in the past. So we may well get a bit of a short-term bounce here, but clearly it looks like it'll slide, just judging by the way it's trading. So look, I think I'd prefer to be out of it for now, and I need to see a lot more evidence that it's ready to find support, if it can find support around here. All right, Pilbara Minerals. So look, this is one I've traded for clients. So up until mid-September, it had a nice trading profile. So we had this sort of build up here under $1.40 break, retest, then another nice rally. We had this period here where it was forming what looked like a symmetrical triangle. We had a break. Just got to a new high intraday, but as we could see, it's been sold down. So on the slide now, we had support at $2. So this pattern, the breakout here failed, came back to $2, and now it's broken under $2 support and is failing to get back above it. So for the moment, the chart's got obviously a bit of a negative profile. So I'd be waiting before buying back in. I'd be out of this one at the moment. Obviously, we'd be looking for potential support around $1.60 or maybe even lower down $1.40. But at the moment, the risk is to the downside, and we need to find some sort of reversal here before it's a buy again. Dicker Data. So a few months ago, there was a good really nice bullish trading profile. We had this rally here off the May low through resistance here at $11. We actually had it in our Dynamic Investor Report around here as a buying opportunity, and we could see the breakout. Nice rally, and then obviously it gave us the sell signals here. So the big gap down here, and obviously this one as well. So the chart's still looking negative, starting to slide. Look, there's a gap here that we may well see it reverse and give us a little bounce, but again, price action's still quite negative. So it's too early again to be buying this one. All right, Beach Energy. Last couple of weeks, nice run, good volume. There was resistance level here at $1.40, managed to pop through that pretty quickly, and now it's sitting above that. So that's a positive sign. I think holding in here prepares it for another run. I think if it breaks under $1.40, slight negative, I guess if you're running a tight stop, I'd be looking at $1.40. Otherwise, at worst, you'd be looking for support at $1.30. Okay, Orica. So if I just zoom out, we could see that it's had a terrible run. It got sold off with COVID and it's just never really recovered, and has just continued to slide. So, but if we zoom in though, we could see that earlier this year it bounced off this level in February, and then it's come all the way back to retest it, and then has had another bounce. I think around sort of this just under $15, I think is a clear resistance level. I mean, for this to be bullish, I'd like to see it now consolidate just under here without pulling back too much, and then pop above 15, and that could be a potential buying opportunity. But yeah, I think buying here's too early. I mean, just based on the longer term trend, you just got to be wary that this may well just continue to slide back again. All right, well, that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through and I'll try to include it next Thursday for you.